Hello everyone! Chinese New Year is just a few weeks away and there's a lots of baking for me to do. This year I'm going to make the pineapple tart Malaysian style. I've got this recipe for a number of years and I'm going to upload this video this time to share with you. It's a little bit different from the Taiwanese pineapple cake I uploaded earlier because this one I need to roll it up like Swiss roll rather than to make it into a square. You can make it in advance because as long as you keep it in an airtight container, it can be kept for at least 2 months. So let me show you how do I make these pineapple tarts. I'm KB Kwan. Thanks for joining me. Get a pineapple, cut off the top and the bottom part. Cut off the thick fibrous skin. Then make the V-shaped shallow cut to remove the ice. Then cut the pineapple into small cubes. And remove the core, which is hard. In the event if you do not have the fresh pineapple, you can use those pineapple cubes in can as the substitute. It saves you time. Blend the pineapple cubes until it becomes a puree. Heat up the pineapple puree in a pan. Add sugar, palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can just use the ordinary sugar. And a little bit of salt. And some spices. Here we have the cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Bring it to a boil. Simmer over low heat to thicken the puree, which will take a while. Cook it down until there isn't any visible liquid. And it is able to hold its shape. Like this. Then turn off the heat and let it cool down. Portion it to about 8 grams each. And then keep it in the refrigerator until it firms up. While I'm waiting for the filling to firm up in the refrigerator, let's move on to prepare the pastry. This is unsalted butter, icing sugar, combine. If you are preparing a bigger quantity, you can always make use of the electric mixer. Then add a beaten egg and combine. Next, add some salt, custard powder, and the regular all-purpose flour. And combine everything together. Keep mixing it. The butter will eventually absorb by the flour. Once it forms into a dough, use your hand to knead it for a short while. Okay, look, now it forms into a shiny dough and the bowl is already totally clean. Now we can proceed to the next step, that is to wrap the fillings with the pastry. I'm using this gadget to create the signature pattern of the pineapple tarts. However, if you want to make a larger batch, I'll suggest you buy those that comes with a plunger or a piston. That will make the process of making the pineapple tart much faster. Put the pineapple tart on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of baking, remove and apply the egg wash. And then baking for another 10 minutes or until golden brown. Finally, we make it! Pineapple tart for Chinese New Year. I hope you enjoyed it. That's how I make my pineapple tart Malaysian style. If you like to get the recipe, please follow the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like. Until then, I'll see you again in another video and Happy Chinese New Year! Bye!